Hey fam, Chi here. Welcome back. Today we have a very, very special unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Girl, I am still in complete shock that this even happened because this was a gift from none other than Wil Mikahson. So yeah, I'm still like trying to process everything, but I was just like, is this real? If you're new here, hey, I'm Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on the gram and TikTok. Let's back it up a little bit and tell you how this all came to be. So Wil and I will exchange texts from time to time about, things that we're interested in buying and stuff like that. So I believe he sent me a text like, ooh, I'm thinking about getting these. And it was a pair of sunglasses. And I was like, oh yes, that is very you, very on trend, very your brand. So he's like, yeah, I love these. I'm going to buy them and you can just have my millionaires. And I was just like, come again, sir? Like, what are you talking about? I'm never on the receiving end of lavish gifts if they're not an intimate partner. Sis is not trying to get demonetized, but paint the picture in your head. I was just like very perplexed because sis was not going to turn down a gift. Okay, if you know me, you know I'm not going to turn down anything free. But the other side of me is just like, girl, you know how much these are worth. And I was like, yo, you can sell these to Fashion File and get money. And he's like, Fashion File ain't gonna offer me much and then sell it for over retail. Like, and I'm like, true that. That's how Fashion File works. I literally was at my desk. I had to take a walk. Sis got misty in the eyes. My eyeballs was sweating a little bit. And, because it was just so left field, I didn't know what to do. Like, I was just literally shaking. So I was just like, this is not real. So let's get into the unboxing because that's what y'all are here for. Of course, he has the full unboxing on his channel, so you can go ahead and see how it looks on his face. But we have this. There's of course the box, the bag and all that stuff. I ain't feel like doing all that, But this is the interior. You get this ginormous like care booklet. They have some UVA, UVB, all that information, legal things. But we don't care about that, guys. We have the beautiful box right here. If you haven't seen it, it is modeled after like a trunk. It is magnetic. Ooh, look at this. Hopefully you can see it. It's Louis Vuitton. Just, ooh, ooh. It comes in its little dust bag. And, oh. These are the 1.1 Millionaires if you didn't read the title, but listen, oh my God, girl, look at all the details of this. Oh, just look at that. It's like accents from the trunks and oh. Ooh. She has arrived, honey. She is Miami. She's sitting by the pool. Gardener. Butler. She's a lifestyle. She's a moment. She's an icon. Just all of that. This is everything. These sunnies are literally me. I'm feeling like a member of the Real Housewives of Miami. This is literally how I would look. Just all the time. I don't do manual labor, darling. I don't dream of work. Listen, these are my first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I've never had LV before. And when I tell you the quality of these are just A1, they're amazing. Of course, this is from the Virgil collection. R.I.P. Virgil. Just in case y'all don't know, Wil and I are friends. Like, we're not YouTube friends. We are actually friends. And it's crazy to think that we used to live 10 minutes away from each other and work 5 minutes away from each other. This, like, for years. And the fact that he has quickly become a really, really good friend to me is just mind-blowing, because I'm the type of person who is very much so a loner. Even though I have siblings who I lived in the same house with, I was not close like that to them. And I don't make a lot of new friends. Never have, still probably never will. So when I do vibe with someone and I feel that good energy, that synergy, the vibe, everything feels good, like, that's something to, you know, cherish. And our friendship is very much so that we just clicked, and not just on a friendship vibe, but also in a creative vibe. Anytime he's needed help from me, I've always been there. And that's the type of friend I am. I'm very much so, I'm not always there when you call, but I'm always on time. I don't speak to a lot of my good friends for weeks, sometimes months, hell, sometimes years. But when we click up, oh, it's gonna feel like no time has passed, okay? We're gonna be kicking, giggling, and spilling tea all in one session. You know, I've always felt like everyone has their own lives, and I've always been respectful of that. And sometimes it may seem like I don't care because I'm not that person always calling and checking in and checking up. It's not me. Before I even accepted these sunglasses, I had to make it known to him that our friendship was worth more than the sunglasses. It was more of a me thing, because I didn't want to make it seem like I know the value of these sunglasses and me not at least give something to him in, you know, to buy them. He just felt like I do so much for him and he values everything that I do for him. Like, that was really nice, you know, and it made me feel good. And I was just like, I know you're not about to make me cry. You know, I'm a Cancer and I'm sensitive as hell if you are under the shell, okay? I'm so thankful for it. Nope, we're not doing that. I am thankful for him in my life. So, nope, not doing it. That means it's time to wrap this video up. But overall, I am super happy with these glasses. These are in the W size. So I know there's a whole thing about Eastern and Western. I can't remember what all of that meant. All I know is that I look damn good with these sunnies, and I hope this is not the start of me getting into Louis Vuitton sunglasses, because the level of darkness on the lenses and just everything about this is such a vibe. And the fact that this is a part of one of Virgil's collections with Louis Vuitton, I'm just like, I cannot even deal. But if you do want something similar in the shape, but not necessarily all of the details, check out Off-White, because this shape Off-White actually does produce. It's just, this is the Louis Vuitton version. If I can find it, I'm gonna link it in the description box and put up a couple of other videos that you can watch, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.